there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into 3 healthy slow cooker recipes for weight loss, so let's get started. Wait! Before starting slow cooker recipe video, we introduce you with Alpalian, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Recipe 3. Lentil and mushroom soup. We're starting with a lentil and mushroom soup that's not only hearty, but also rich in fiber and flavor. In your slow cooker, combine green or brown lentils, sliced mushrooms, finely chopped onion, minced garlic, low-sodium vegetable broth, sliced carrots, sliced celery, thyme, rosemary, bay leaves, and a drizzle of olive oil. Season with salt and black pepper. Stir well and cook on low for 6-8 hours or until the lentils are tender. It's a hearty and flavorful soup that's perfect for a comforting meal. Recipe 2. Chicken and vegetable curry. Let's move on to a chicken and vegetable curry that's not only flavorful, but also a protein-packed delight. In your slow cooker, combine cubed chicken breasts, finely chopped onion, minced garlic, minced ginger, curry powder, turmeric, cumin, paprika, light or full-fat coconut milk, low-sodium chicken broth, sliced carrots, sliced bell peppers, and frozen peas. Season with salt and black peppers. Stir well and cook on low for 6-8 hours or until the chicken is cooked through. It's a fragrant and satisfying curry that's perfect for a flavorful dinner. Get this amazing product. Click the link in the description below. Recipe 1. Quinoa and vegetable stew. Let's wrap up with a quinoa and vegetable stew that's not only hearty but also packed with nutrients. In your slow cooker, combine quinoa, diced carrots, diced celery, diced bell peppers, diced zucchini, finely chopped onion, and minced garlic. Add low-sodium vegetable broth, canned diced tomatoes, kidney beans, cannellini beans, and a blend of seasonings like thyme, oregano, and bay leaves. Season with salt and black pepper. Stir well and cook on low for 6-8 hours or until the vegetables are tender. It's a comforting and nutrient-rich stew that's perfect for a filling meal. Ready to shed those extra pounds. Get Alpalian? Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and recipes. We'll see you in the next video!